Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Now, Asante Kotoko have announced the signing of midfielder Emmanuel Keyekeh and also the signing of defender Yussif Mubarik. Keyekeh has completed a move from Kerala United to Asante Kotoko after both clubs agree on a fee. Reports are stating that two players from Asante Kotoko must be heading to Kerala United on loan as part of the deal, but it's unclear yet as Asante Kotoko haven't published information or more details about the transfer. They just posted that the player has completed medical and is in his with the squad today for the training session. Now, Yussif Mubarik, after ending his stay at Ashanti Gold, has moved to Asante Kotoko on a free transfer. The defender has already joined and he will also be in the training session today for the first training session with Asante Kotoko. They had their coronavirus test yesterday, which they all came out negative. And now that brings about one more defender and one more midfielder to Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko haven't announced the signing of Latif and Abila because the club are still negotiating with the midfielder and they are confident they are going to sign him. As for Yussif Mubarik might be partnering with Ajiman Badu for the upcoming season. It depends on the plans of the coach, but I'm confident that he'll be useful to the club. So that's the quick update I wanted to give you guys. If you haven't subscribed, please do it right now. We'll be having more content this season, from fans reaction to interviews to match reviews and previews. So I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, please do that right now and click the notification bell. Till next time guys, goodbye.